Stock market today. Dow closes below 30,000 on doubts Fed will avoid recession. The Dow closed beneath a key milestone Thursday, and slipped underneath a greater than one-year low as the post-Fed surge speedy faded on concerns that warding off a recession is probable out of the attain. The Dow Jones Industrial Average slipped 2.4%, or 741 points to fall under 30,000, the Nasdaq fell 4.1%, and the S&P 500 fell 3.2%. Investors look like bracing for developing possibility of a recession on worries the Fed to turn even extra hawkish due to the fact inflation will stay extended for longer than the valuable bank presently expects. Bottom line is the Fed nevertheless believes middle inflation is essentially transient, Morgan Stanley stated, pointing to the Fed's forecast for center inflation to peak at 4.3% this year, and in the end drop to beneath 3% subsequent year. But with inflation currently strolling at 8.6% and anticipated by means of traders of fixings, or derivative-like units to remain above 8% for the year, the Fed can be compelled to hike charges to a terminal price, or height of 4.5% to 5%, more than the vital financial institution's modern forecast of 3.5% to 4%. Despite the slip in Treasury yields post-Fed choice, Morgan Stanley stated it believes that yield curve will soon resume flattening and invert a key recession warning because the markets flow toward a higher terminal fee. Tech and consumer discretionary, the growth regions of the market, gave back their gains from an afternoon in advance, with the latter led with the aid of a hunch in client stocks on issues about a Fed-induced slowdown pushing the economic system into recession. Royal Caribbean Cruises (NYSE), RCL, Norwegian Cruise Line (NYSE), NCLH, Carnival Corporation (NYSE), CCL, were amongst the largest decliners, at the same time as Tesla, Nasdaq, TSLA, slumped 10% to pile at the strain inside the region. Big tech, in the meantime, became also avoided, with Facebook, Nasdaq, Meta, Apple, Nasdaq, AAPL, and Amazon, Nasdaq, AMZN, down greater than 4%. KLA Tencor Corporation, Nasdaq, CLAC, gave up earlier gains to add greater pressure on chip stocks even as it reiterated its steerage for the contemporary sector, and introduced a brand new $6 billion inventory buyback software. Economic facts on Wednesday exacerbated fears of the slowdown. The housing market kept to run out of steam as statistics confirmed housing starts off-evolved. Degree of U.S. homebuilding fell to a 13-month low as mortgage prices climbed. Homebuilder stocks had been quick to react to the facts. Toll Brothers NYSE, TOL, Lennar NYSE, Len, Pulte Group NYSE, PHM, fell greater than 6%. With the Fed's stability reduction plan underway, which includes selling mortgage-backed securities, housing stays the proverbial canary inside the coal mine. Its song is getting softer, Yelena Malayev, an economist at Grant Thornton, said in a Observe.